This thing holds its tune really well. That's a good thing. I like that. I like that real good. When troubles fall like lemon drops up the chimney tops, that's where you'll find me. Somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly. If birds fly over the rainbow, why can't I? So, Irish music, that usually goes like doodle-licka-doodle-licka-doodle-licka-doo, wang-a-wang-a-wang-a-wang-a-wang, ding-a-ding-a-ding-a-ding-a-ding-a-doo, winkle-winkle-winkle-winkle-woo. I need to think of an Irish song. Well, there's always Popeye the Sailor Man. You know Popeye the Sailor Man is kind of an Irish song. Deedle-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. Which I can't play. Precious is the that makes me white as snow. No other friend I know, nothing but the blood of Jesus. Get me a garbage can down here and start putting some of this stuff in it. Yeah, that's what needs to happen. Need me a big old garbage can. I feel like baby right up. And there's a brake line right here. Now, why is there a brake line sitting on my banjo bench? Can you tell me? I think I know. I think when I moved out of that garage up in Maine, I put a lot of stuff into a thing, a box or something. And of course got into the flood and all things got all canned and juggled up and messed up. And things just, when I got down here, just wound up here and there and everywhere. And somehow this brake line, which was probably a part of my rat rod building project, wound up right here. Where it shouldn't be. It's not where it should be. I'm going to need to take care of that at some point. I got this string sticking out here that shouldn't be sticking out there. I need to cut that off. I got some snippers right here. I can just do that right here and right now. We're supposed to be having a big storm coming in. They're talking about snow and all. I don't know if I believe in it. You know, when you live in a place like I did for all them years, you kind of don't pay no attention to that snow stuff, because I can't imagine they're going to have anything down here that's going to impress me when it comes to snow after what I've been through and my wife and all. I sure do appreciate you making this for me, Tom. You're an awesome guy. I hope everything worked out just like you wanted it to out there with your big new house and your big new shop. So that's what it looks like on the back side. These are the little copper pieces I made right there. They ain't perfect, but they're good enough. Good enough. Yeah, good enough. You know, I got a little ropage. I could loosen this up. I got a little room to loosen this up a little bit here. Give myself a little more. Give myself enough rope to hang myself with, maybe. Maybe. Let's see if that did better. That might have done the trick right there. I didn't need too much. Oh, I had a little electric heater sitting up in the garage up there. I brought it down here. It's sitting right behind me here. It's quiet. It heats good, and I don't think they use a whole lot of electric. Or it used to be back in the day. You plug one of them in, it'd melt the wires in your house. They pulled so much power, but I think they make them a little more user friendly than that. In fact, speaking of that, you know, I've got an electric 12-volt air conditioning in my Studebaker, and I found online someone that's making an electric heater that you can plug into the cigarette lighter. Now, y'all that's been around long enough can remember when I put one of those in that Jeep, and it would get so hot it would melt the wires that ran to the battery. And of course, it was so cold up there. A lot of days I just needed something to thaw out enough windshields I snow with. And you know, I did wire it straight to the battery using those big old wires about as big as your finger, you know, and I got it to work. But man, that thing would suck some energy down. But I think what's happened is in this modern day, they've figured out a way to convert power back and forth between AC and the DC, and they take the A's and the C's and the D's and they mix them all up so that they can write words with them, and then they tangle them all together and it spits out a little bit more power than you get otherwise. That's a high-tech explanation of how things are in today's world. So I think based on that, I might be okay with this new one. I bought one that's a little more expensive than the cheapest one, because I have found that a lot of times when you buy the cheapest one, you get what you paid for, which may not be a good deal. Don't sit under song I was singing the other day that I kind of liked. I think it was that I've been working on the railroad song. Someone's in the kitchen this real good. I'm having fun.